If you're tired of AI tools adding one tiny feature every 6 months, this one might surprise you. ArtSpace just released 24 new AI tools in a single update, bringing the platform to over 170 AI image tools. And what's interesting here is the reason. These tools were requested by users, and the team actually built them. That alone is pretty rare in the AI space. So in this video, I'll quickly show you some of the most interesting new tools, how they work, and who could actually use them to make money or create content faster. And if you want to check the lifetime deal, link is in the description. Let's jump in. Tool number 1. Caricature. Alright, let's start with the one that everyone tries first. Caricature. You basically upload a photo, and the AI turns it into a cartoon-style exaggerated portrait. And yes, the first thing everyone does is try it on their own face. It's surprisingly good and honestly pretty funny. This tool is great for content creators, YouTubers, streamers, personal brands, because caricatures are perfect for things like profile pictures, thumbnails, social media avatars, merch designs. You could even build a small Fiverr gig where people send a selfie, and you generate custom caricatures for them. Quick reminder, if you enjoy discovering tools like this, consider subscribing to the channel. I test a lot of AI tools, so you don't have to. Tool number 2. Snow Globe. Next one is a bit ridiculous, but in a good way. This tool puts any person or scene inside a snow globe. Upload an image, and suddenly it becomes this tiny winter world inside glass. It's one of those tools that's just instantly shareable. People see it and go, "Wait, how did you make that?" It's perfect for Instagram creators, Pinterest accounts, holiday marketing campaigns, digital greeting cards. Agencies or social media managers could easily use this to create seasonal content for clients in seconds. Tool number 3. Brick Mosaic. This one is very visual. The Brick Mosaic tool converts photos into something that looks like street art made from bricks or tiles. You upload an image, and it transforms it into this urban mosaic effect. It almost looks like a mural you'd see on a building. This is great for designers, poster creators, print-on-demand stores. You could easily turn photos into wall art, posters, album covers, or NFT-style visuals. It's the kind of effect that normally takes a lot of Photoshop work, but here it's basically one click. Tool number 4. Create Diorama. Now this one is oddly satisfying. The Diorama tool turns normal photos into tiny miniature worlds. Everything looks like a small model or toy scene. Upload a city photo, and suddenly it looks like a miniature city on a table. This effect works really well for YouTube thumbnails, storytelling content, travel pages, architecture accounts, because it instantly makes images look different from normal photos, which is exactly what helps content stand out in feeds. Tool number 5. Object Aging Simulator. This one is actually pretty interesting. The Object Aging Simulator shows what something might look like 50 years in the future. You can age buildings, cars, objects, even faces. The AI basically adds wear, rust, fading, all the little details that time creates. This could be useful for designers, story creators, game developers, concept artists. For example, if you're creating post-apocalyptic scenes or storytelling visuals, this tool saves a lot of time. Tool number 6. Background Blur. Now this one is simple, but extremely useful. The Background Blur tool basically turns a normal phone photo into something that looks like it was taken with a DSLR camera. The AI automatically separates the subject and blurs the background. And it actually looks pretty natural. This is perfect for product photos, e-commerce listings, profile photos, social media images. Small businesses can instantly make their photos look more professional without expensive equipment. Why this update is interesting? What I find interesting here is not just the tools, it's the fact that these were requested by the community, and instead of ignoring those requests, the team shipped 24 new tools in one update. That brings the platform to 170 AI image tools in total. Right now, the platform has more than 21,000 users, 4.9 rating on Trustpilot, and there's currently a lifetime deal starting at $59, which is honestly refreshing in a world where every AI tool wants $20 per month forever. If you want to check it out, I put the link in the description. Curious to know what you think. If you had to pick one of these tools to use right now, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments. And if you like discovering new AI tools, SaaS deals, and hidden software gems, hit that like button and subscribe to Digital Toolcase because I review tools like these quite often. See you in the next one.